In this video, we're going to demonstrate how the DVI results can be sent back into Omnique from AutoTextMe. For this example, we'll look at this 2002 Odyssey from Joe Palooka. We have the C1 note already transferred in from earlier, and we can see that it's here for a rattle over a bump. So for our scenario, we'll go to the Undercar section, and we'll make a note on the sway bar link. We'll even include a picture. And we'll give it a status. Now I'll click some other items on this form, just for good measure here, for our example. We'll even make a recommendation on fluid change. We'll say transmission fluid, fair condition. Now we'll submit the form. Now remember, we will be asked to acknowledge the reason the vehicle's here. So we'll do that. We'll even make a note. Now when we click here to complete, when the service advisor is ready, you'll click the SMS button. When you get the green check, that means the information has been successfully sent to Omnique. In order to see the recommendations that were sent in, you can refresh your page if that estimate's already open, and you'll see your recommendations from that sheet have arrived here. This is going to pull in any of the red and yellow items that you checked from your DVI.